all the time, still I'm in my prime. Couple new blessings every time we pray.
Hey guys, it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this will be a summer glowy colorful look. I decided to use some yellows today, y'all. I've never really used yellow eyeshadow because it's really hard to find a really good one, but I actually found a really decent one. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Hey guys, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm taking my Morphe 35B palette in that really peachy shade, and I'm putting that in the transition area. I wanted this to be like a really pretty, like I want to use sunset colors, so like orange, purple, like tangerines, peaches, and yellow. So I decided to take a deeper orange and place that in like the crease because you can really see the peach on camera, so I wanted you guys to see the actual color. So I decided to take a deeper shade and I placed that kind of overlapping the transition area and the crease. So it's not, I'm not covering the whole transition area, but it is some of it. So now I'm going into this Amor Us palette, or Amor US palette, and this is the I can't even think of the movie, but it's about the little boy, the Hispanic movie. And this is the Remember Me palette, and I'm taking this shade and I'm placing that directly into the crease because I am doing a cut crease, but I didn't want that purple to show you guys. I wish I could remember the movie, what it's called, but it's about him going, you know, to see his family that has crossed over. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm just taking that and placing that directly into the crease, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cut the crease using the ColourPop No Filter concealer, and this one is in the shade Fair 08. I'm just cutting the crease. And you guys, the yellow shades in this palette is actually really good. It's the first time I've ever been able to use a yellow. I've tried to use other palette yellows, but they kind of don't pick up. Like, it's just really weird. I heard that yellow shades and red shades are the hardest to make. So, I mean, like, I understand, but yeah, y'all, this is the first time I've ever been able to wear yellow eyeshadow and it looked, you know, good. So I'm just packing those two shades. I used both shades at the same time. I just dipped it in one and then dipped it in the next, and I just patted on there. So you really don't have to do it in any order. But I do think I dipped it in the darker one first and then the lighter one second. So yeah, but it should come out the same way even if you do it the opposite way. So I'm just packing that on the lids. And then I'm going to take that same purpley shade that we just used, and I'm going to go ahead and diffuse that harsh line on the outside. I didn't want to add too many like deep shades to this. I wanted this to be a more bright look and not so smoky. So that's why you guys don't see me using like a purple, like a darker purple or blue. So now I'm going into my NYX liquid liner. This one is black. This one is matte, and I love it, you guys. Y'all know I used to use the NYC liquid liner, but that one got discontinued. So this is like the next best thing. It is more expensive, but I don't mind because y'all, I wear liner all the time. So I get my money's worth. And now I'm taking my Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal mascara, and I'm just placing that on my top lashes to prepare for falsies. I can't remember if I put falsies on before I did my foundation. I'm sure I didn't because I never do that. But yeah, I'm just putting on a little bit of mascara, and then we're gonna get into the face, and we'll come back to the eyes, of course. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX foundation. It's the Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and the Revlon Colorstay in the shade Caramel. So I did my foundation off camera because, I mean, it's pointless for y'all to see how I apply my foundation. I do it in every video. But I am going to be contouring using my Anastasia foundation stick in the shade Truffle. You guys, it's almost gone. Now I have to use a brush to apply it. It's so annoying, but I love this product so much, and I have to go get me another one ASAP because this is like the best thing ever to contour your face with. And I'm just blending that out with like a regular blending brush, face brush. I'm not sure the name of this brush, but you can pretty much use a foundation brush, any kind of brush to blend out your cream contour. And now for concealer, I'm going to go in with my Pro Concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm just taking that to highlight. Y'all know I love LA Girl Concealer. It's so bomb. It's like honestly better than a lot of these higher end concealers. They're okay, but they're not better than LA Girl. And this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 36. I just mixed a little bit of that in it. Now I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender. This is the Black Beauty Blender. And I did already blend out my Cupid's bow and my chin off camera. I used a brush to do that because for some reason with the sponge it doesn't blend it out the way I want it to. So I just used a brush for that part. It's okay if foundation gets on it. It makes it look more natural. So I don't really be caring, okay? But to set this concealer, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Make sure you blend out those highlight lines that you get from blending it out. So yeah, I'm just setting with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Honey, she's really good. Y'all, honestly like the Patrick Star Powder a little bit better than this one. But honey, I spent my money on this one, so I'm going to use it, okay? But yeah, if you don't have this one, I think the Patrick Star Powder might be a couple dollars cheaper. But I honestly cannot remember. I cannot remember. But yeah. Now to set my contour, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix Powder in the shade NW48 with this MAC contour brush. And now I'm going to be bronzing up my skin with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. I basically use this as a face powder. And I do not set my nose contour with the Studio Fix powder. I set it with the Mineralize Skin Finish. Girl, I had to fix my brow, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and carve out my cheekbones with some setting powder. It's the same Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And I just take that same brush that I used for the bronzer and I just dust that off really quickly. I don't let mine sit under there too long. Now for blush, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Nude. It's really cute and really pink. So cute. And now to highlight, I'm going in with my She Luxe bronzing powder. This is a really pretty highlight. I got this from the beauty supply store, and it was like $1.99 or like $2 or something like that. But for it to be $2, you get a lot of product for one, and for two, it's really nice and really glowy. So it's actually better than a lot of these high-end products. So if you ever pass by a beauty supply store like a Chapel Beauty, anything like that, it has to be a Asian owned beauty supply store. Like Sally Beauty won't have that. It won't have these items. So try to find like an Asian owned beauty supply store and they have it, okay? So now I'm going into that same purple shade that we used in the crease, and I'm using that on my lower lash line to smoke it out. I did want to bring some color on the lower lash line. At first I wasn't going to do anything on the lower lash line, but I was like, the eye look won't be complete if I don't do it. So now I'm going to take this white gel liner. I could not find a picture of it on the internet to like put on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like. But yeah, it's just a white gel liner. You can use any kind that you see at the beauty supply store or TJ Maxx. Now I'm going in with a flat brush into this black shade just to smoke out the lower lash line. You want to get that as close to your waterline as possible without messing up the white. Now I'm going to be applying my lashes. These are the KOKO lashes in the style Venus. Sorry y'all, my tongue is always out. Every time I put my lashes on, my mouth does this. I cannot help it. I try so hard not to do it, but it just happens, so I accept it, okay? Now for the inner corner highlight, I'm going back into that Morphe 35B palette, into that shimmery yellow shade. So right up under is a matte yellow, and then the one that I'm using is a shimmer yellow. So now I'm going in with my all-nighter setting spray by Urban Decay, and I'm just going to set my face, honey, lock her in, fan her down. And now with my Ruby Kisses lip liner in this shade Espresso, I'm just lining my lips to prepare for my liquid lipstick. And the shade I'm using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped. I decided to do a matte lip today because I just wanted to be all the way matte. No, not really much shimmer. But yeah, you guys, this is the look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments that you have down below. Also, you guys know that I always leave the makeup deets down below in the description box, so check that out. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, you guys.